Have you ever needed to create a bootable USB but wished there was an easier or more flexible tool than Rufus? In 2025, Rufus is still a top choice, but there are several great alternatives, each with their own strengths and unique features. Today, we're exploring the best Rufus alternative tools that PC users are turning to this year, so you can pick the one that fits your needs. Let's start with a tool that's very popular among beginners because of how simple it is to use. This tool has a clean, user-friendly interface that makes creating bootable USBs almost effortless. You don't need to worry about advanced settings or partition schemes. You select your ISO, pick your drive, and click a button. It's ideal for anyone who just wants a quick and painless way to make installation media without technical complexity. Next up is a tool that stands out for cross-platform compatibility. Unlike Rufus, which is Windows only, this alternative works on Windows, macOS, and Linux. That makes it perfect for people who switch between different operating systems or who need to prepare bootable drives on non-Windows machines. It also has a straightforward workflow and supports a wide range of ISO formats, making it a versatile choice for both beginners and advanced users alike. Another great alternative focuses on multi-ISO support, meaning you can store and boot multiple ISO files from one USB drive. This is incredibly useful if you need several different operating systems or diagnostic tools on a single flash drive. Instead of formatting and recreating a USB every time, you simply add more ISOs to the drive and choose which one to boot from. For tech professionals and enthusiasts who manage a variety of systems, this feature can save a huge amount of time. There's also a tool with a strong reputation for professional use and stability. It may not have the beginner simplicity of some interfaces, but it excels in reliability and advanced configuration options. This makes it a favorite among IT support teams and system administrators who need precise control over how bootable media is created and deployed. For users who want a middle ground between simplicity and power, there's a tool that offers guided steps with optional advanced settings. It's approachable for beginners, yet still gives you the ability to tweak partition schemes, file systems, and bootloader behavior if you want more control. This balance makes it a solid alternative for both casual users and people who like to dig deeper. So, why consider Rufus alternatives in 2025? Different tools excel in different areas, whether it's cross-platform support, multi-ISO functionality, ultra beginner ease, or professional grade options. Choosing the right one depends on how you work, what systems you use, and how much control you want over the bootable media creation process. If this video helped you compare bootable USB tools and find the best one for your needs, go ahead and like this video, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss more tech tutorials and reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.